Hello everyone, the students of TY BSc. Hope you all are doing good. So here I am to give you an explanation on the chapter The Hazards of Food Coloring. Yes, so from the title itself we have come to know that we are going to talk about the food and the different colors that are used in the food to make the food more attractive and to make the food more tempting. So students, food is the basic need in our life. Yes, it is the most lovable thing for anybody, and it is a thing without which we cannot survive. So here let us see the reason that why do we love food so much and why the food that is provided before us that is so tempting. Because of it is not because of the taste or because of the what is it, because of the food item that we are enjoying, but what makes us to buy the food is the major reason is because of its color, the way the food looks so beautiful and so attractive. Okay, the way it looks, it makes us so tempting that we want to have that food anyhow. The way they show it in the ads in the TV, okay, it is not because we must have not tasted the food anytime, but we want to go and have it because the way they show it in the ad, with all the graphics and with all the colorful effects on it. So these are the things that we are going to discuss today in this chapter. So students, why the food are so tempting, and it is why we love to eat so much of food in outer areas and restaurants, and we love street foods more rather than the homemade foods. Yes, the reason behind it is it gives more tasty, more delicious taste because of the colors they use in the food. Yes, and the colors which are used in the food, they are not natural colors, but these are called synthetic dyes or artificial dyes, the chemicals which are mostly made by petroleum. These are the artificial and synthetic dyes and different chemicals which are mixed up in the food items during the process of making of the food, and they are sold out. This is very much dangerous and it gives a very critical issue for our health in our later stage of life. Yes. So students, these foods are being colored, and not only this food but also the vegetables and fruits which we tend to believe that these are the natural things, but even these natural fruits and vegetables are given pesticides and different chemicals, and artificial dyes are mixed up in their natural growth and soils and their nutritions, and they are made to look more fresh, more healthy. They are made to grow more faster by this what to say, artificial growth, artificial process, and because of their look and because of their shining skin they are given, and it makes us to buy them, and it is their business. It is this is the only choice to run their own business and make more money. Yes. So even the fruits and vegetables, and not only if we talk about the non-food products, it is just about the food products, but when we talk about the non-food products, that like soaps and shampoos, different kinds of moisturizers, creams that we use for our body and skins, okay, and different kind of cosmetics, and even the medicines that we intake, okay, to cure our health. Even in this kind of cosmetics things and non-food products, many kind of chemicals and many different artificial dyes are used to just to make, the only reason is just to make their looks more effective and attractive, and so that people can get tempted to buy these products. Yes. So now let us see what are the names of different artificial dyes that are used in the food according to the food colors. Okay, so let us see. The first one is brilliant blue FCF. This brilliant blue FCF, which is of blue color, it indicates the blue color. Next is anthrozine, which is of pink color, and next is tartrazine, which indicates a yellow color, and the last one is sunset yellow FCF, which is of orange color. So these are four different kinds of this can be less, but there will be many different chemicals, but these four different artificial dyes, you have to mention it in your answer because it is described in your textbook, and this you have to importantly mention it. This is the most important point because you are giving the names of the chemicals that are used in the food. I am repeating again, what are they? Brilliant blue FCF, okay, anthrozine, tartrazine, and sunset yellow FCF. Okay, these are the different artificial dyes that are used in the food. For example, let me explain you. If you're consuming the food which is of yellow color, for example jalebi, popcorn, khaman, these are all foods of yellow colors, right? So if you want to enjoy the food, what they will do to make you buy that food, to make it more tasty and delicious, they will use the artificial dye called tartrazine, which is of yellow. They mix it, they mix this chemical inside the products, and they make the food looks more light yellow or dark yellow. Accordingly, they will adjust with the food items, and they will make the people buy. So this is about the artificial dyes. Now let us talk about the natural colors that are used in the food. These natural colors are made from fruits and vegetables, and also from animals and insects. Let us look at their names. They are examples like annatto, which is of reddish orange. Next is chlorophyll, which indicates a green color. Paprika, which is of red color. Turmeric, which is very much well known, that is of yellow color. And butterfly pea, that is of blue color. So these are different natural colors of the food, of the natural colors that are used in different food items. So students, now let us see why this artificial dyes are used in the color when these natural colors in fruits and vegetables are very much available. Why people, the manufacturer and the people who work in restaurants and all who work in the different factories of the food, why don't they use this natural food colors in the food, but they choose artificial dyes? Let us see the reason. The first reason is this artificial dyes are very much cheap in their price. Okay, they are sold out in a very cheap and very less amount. And the second reason is they are odorless and they are tasteless. Means when you consume the food, you will not get the taste of the chemicals, actual chemicals that are used in the food. So they are odorless and tasteless. The next is they are very bright in color, and another reason is they are concentrated. Concentrated means a very little amount of artificial dye can give color to the lot quantity of the food. So these are the reason why the people use artificial dyes rather than the natural dyes. Natural dyes are used in very less state. Okay, so students, now let us see what are the effects of food coloring because of this use of chemicals in the food, because of this artificial and synthetic dyes in the food. What are the effects for our health? The effects can be like problem in pregnancy. It can be a birth defects. It can give you allergic in your skin and even in your inner parts. Okay, it can be an hyperactivity. It can cause you insomnia. It can cause you even a cancer. It can cause you asthma and also a nervous disease. These are very much in less, but there can be many other different kinds of diseases that can cause you because of consuming this kind of food coloring for our body. So these are the different effects. Now students, let us see what does the government do to reduce this food coloring. Government has already taken a lot more steps, and it has taken many more measures to prevent this food coloring, to make reduce of this food chemical artificial dyes in this food. And it has just given a lot more research and also tests around the globe. And there is also a website, a government website, which gives you a lot more information about the different foods and the different artificial and natural dyes that are used in the food and what are the effects for your health. Now students, let us see what are the measures that can be taken. How can you prevent this kind of food items and make your health more how can you make yourself more healthy? So let us see what are the measures that can be taken. Before you buy any products, the first thing you have to do is you have to first go and read the introduction that is printed in the packages or in any box that is printed behind it. Okay, so you have to go through the instruction, what it is written. There are index number given on the color index number given on every product that you buy. It can be like CI number. CI number means it is a color index number. It can be EEC like European index number. It can be FT and C number, that means Federal Food and Cosmetic Act. Okay, and it can be like IS number like Indian Standard Number. These are different index number which are given according to the chemicals and color used in the food. So you have to go through that. So you have to read the instruction, you have to go through the expiry date. Okay, you have to take care of the expiry date because it can cause you a very critical health. Then you have to ensure that it is a standardized product. Okay, and you have to reduce intake junk food. You don't have to use more junk foods like wafers and more oily and very fat saturated food, you have to less consume it, and more you have to prefer for the homemade food. So students, these are some of the important points I have tried to explain you about the food colorings. So if you feel that I have missed out some of the points, you can contact me, you can message me anytime. I will be clearing up you the idea. So so these are the topics. Okay, so you have to include in your answers. Don't forget to mention the names of chemicals that are used. It can be artificial dyes or natural chemicals, natural colors. It can be effects. You don't have to forget to inform the effects. What are the effects of food coloring? What the government has taken the steps to provide and to prevent these measures, and the reasons why this all these chemicals are used, and what are the measures that a people can take to make themselves more healthy. So students, these are some of the important points that I have discussed with you. So keep loving food and take the right nutritions for your health and for yourself, and stay healthy. Okay, thank you.